Hello, I'm Angela, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series TE-A Averaging Temperature Sensor. Dwyer's easy-to-use and variable length TE-A can be utilized to monitor air temperature in applications such as building automation, air handler monitoring, and large air ducts. These temperature sensors utilize either bendable aluminum capillaries or UL94V-0 plenum-rated cable to measure the average temperature. The external tab housing allows the unit to be easily attached to the outside of a duct, and Series CC1 brackets make it easy to mount the capillary inside of a duct or across a coil without damaging the sensor wires inside of the probe. The TE-A's general purpose enclosure is constructed of a UL94V-0 polycarbonate plastic, allowing it to be installed in plenum spaces. Multiple knockouts provide easy conduit access to any side of the housing, and the quarter-turn lid comes with a chain to prevent it from being lost during installation. The Series TE-A offers probe length options in 6, 12, and 24 inches, with 4 integral sensors, evenly spaced to allow for accurate temperature averaging. A wide selection of passive RTD or thermistor temperature sensors is available to match the input specifications of most control manufacturers. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.